30 years of focus, trusted by 80 countries, the choice of 3 million users. From the craftsmanship spirit along the Yangtze River to Silicon Valley level intelligent manufacturing, let's see how this Chongqing-made chair from GTChair helps us sit healthier. Since its establishment in 1992, we have been dedicated to only one thing: enabling people to sit healthily. In 2017, the world's first intelligent production line was completed. Every layer of meticulous work is done to support your most comfortable sitting posture. Sitting should be a kind of enjoyment. From the first sketch to the final product, what we think about is never just the chair, but the dialogue between people and space. We believe that true comfort stems from a profound understanding of the body. Every arc and every inch of support is a silent commitment of technology and craftsmanship. With the warmth of intelligent manufacturing, we redefine the philosophy of sitting, not merely staying, but the free and easy rest of the body and mind. The German TUV Ergonomic certification, the American BIFMA 100,000 cycle durability test, and the Green Guard Gold Environmental Protection Standard, each certification is a commitment to the promise. Marrit 3D Dynamic Lumbar Support, recommended by the Chiropractic Society. I see. The secret to professional players not getting tired after 12 hours of training. Retro Series, the designated chair for the World Leaders Forum. When you sit down, what you feel is the entire team's reinterpretation of comfort. Technology should not be cold, and craftsmanship needs not be heavy. We exchange our 10 years of meticulous attention to detail for a moment when you don't even notice it. There is no mechanical repetition, only uncompromising seated poets. The Cologne Exhibition Center in Germany has just received its 3,682nd customer. What we are looking for are those partners who also reject the saying, "Good enough is fine." When your relentless pursuit of quality meets our passion for ergonomics, that's when the story begins. Devoting one's entire life to making just one chair. This is the dedication of GTChair's people. GTChair's intelligent manufacturing, allowing the world to enjoy health while sitting.